Hello everybody, how are you today? Today we are making Choco Nutty Treats, and this is what we'll need: pepper cups, ice cream, nuts, desiccated coconut, chopped chocolate, and melted dark chocolate. Let's start. We first start by coating the pepper cups with the chocolate. Coated our cups. Let them cool and harden for 15 minutes. Scoop the ice cream into the cup